Yo, what's up everybody? This is Puller Man, aka Mr. Slick Puller. This is my first video on YouTube, and I'm doing just a little unboxing today of my new bow, Samick Sage, which I ordered from 3 Rivers Archery, and I will be using my Mora 2010 to open it. So let's get into it. Thank you, 3 Rivers Archery. It's just a wasted, no importance string. Now let's get into the fun stuff. Here's the riser. Nice. Under the riser, thumb screws for a takedown, quick easy takedown, pre-drill for sights. Here are the limbs. So far, not bad for a $129 bowl. Samick Sage. Sweet. This will be my second bowl, but this is my first brand new bowl. I just got into archery a few years ago. Alrighty, thanks a lot. Enjoy. Bye.